Rivian stock rises as analysts boost price targets. Rivian stock is gaining traction as Wall Street analysts raise price targets following the electric vehicle EV maker's first quarter earnings report. Despite a dip after the announcement, optimism surrounds Rivian's cost control and upcoming lower-priced cars. Last week, Rivian reported a better-than-expected Q1 gross profit, surpassing Wall Street's forecasts with adjusted losses of 48 cents per share against expectations of 92 cents per share. The company also reported a revenue of $1.24 billion, compared to the $1.01 billion anticipated. However, the EV automaker cut its 2025 delivery forecast and capital spending due to President Donald Trump's tariffs. It explained that it is not immune to the impacts of the global trade and economic environment. Rivian stock dropped nearly 6% post-earnings, closing at $12.72 per share. Wall Street remains upbeat about Rivian, citing progress toward launching lower-priced vehicles in 2026 and effective cost management. On Monday, Stifel analyst Stephen Gengaro raised his Rivian price target to $18 from $16, maintaining a buy rating. He highlighted Rivian's solid progress toward key milestones. Conversely, Bernstein's Daniel Roeska gave Rivian a sell rating. However, Roeska also lifted his Rivian price target to $7.05 from $6.10, acknowledging better Q1 results. He warned that profitability remains distant and hinges on multiple product launches by the decade's end. Rivian grapples with challenges from Trump's auto tariffs overall. Wall Street's average price target for Rivian climbed from $14.18 to $14.31, a modest 13-cent increase reflecting positive sentiment. About one-third of analysts covering Rivian rate it a buy, compared to the S&P 500's average buy rating ratio of 55%. On Monday, Rivian stock rose 2.7% to $14.64, slightly trailing the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, which gained 3.3% and 2.8% respectively. The uptick may also stem from broader market gains tied to news of a temporary U.S.-China tariff suspension. As Rivian navigates trade challenges and scales production at its Illinois factory, its Q1 performance and analyst support signal resilience. With lower-priced EVs on the horizon, Rivian's strategic moves could bolster its position in the competitive EV market, offering investors cautious optimism for long-term growth. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.